Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today actually I want to discuss about some login error issue actually. Generally, sometimes actually when we try to log into the workstation actually, log into our computer, log into the computer in the domain environment actually. So we get this error actually sometimes. The error is this one actually. The security database on this server does not have a computer account for the workstation. So today I will show you how to solve this error, and I will tell you now what are the reasons to get this error actually. So the computer account for the workstation in the Active Directory might be deleted. That is one reason maybe, and the second reason is the password for the workstation is updated locally, but not synchronizing with the Active Directory. That should be the another reason. And the other reason should be it cannot communicate with the domain controller, maybe due to some network issues, I think. And last one, maybe it cannot. The recent change in the group policies or Active Directory, maybe that could be also another reason actually. These are the possible reasons to get this error actually. So how to solve this error is just first try to restart this computer actually. Restart this computer and go to the primary domain controller. Your server. Go to the server and check actually. Go to the Active Directory users and computers and make sure that this computer does not exist in the your computers actually. Make sure that the workstation computer is does not exist in this computer section actually. I mean the right now this computer name is Murali actually. This computer name is Murali actually. I will show you that one also. This workstation name is Murali actually. So make sure that it will not exist in the your server actually. Go to the Active Directory users and computers and go to the computer section. You can check here. The computer is not exist actually. The computer name is Murali. It is not exist here actually. Whatever the workstation you are trying to solve now here, it will not exist in this server actually. And go to your computer workstation and what the thing is we have to do here is now click this other user option. Click this other user option and need to log in here as a local user account actually. You need to log in here with the local user account actually. So how to log into the as a local admin here. Local user account. So if you don't know, if you know the username and password of the local user account, you can directly enter here. If you don't know the local user account, so just you can click here actually. How do I sign into the another domain? It will show you actually your local user account. Local user this PC name actually. So this is my PC name actually, and I know the local username. So let me type here. The PC name is, the PC name means it is the computer name actually. So here you need to log in as a local account. With the local account username and password, you need to log in here first actually to solve this error. So I tell you right. So if you don't know the local username, just click that option. How do I sign into the another domain? So this is the computer name for the my this computer actually orally, and I know the local username, so I will try to log in here with that local user. So local user is Miracle Admin, and I know the password also. I will type that password. To solve this error, just you need to, I mean, compulsory, I mean, you must and should log in as a local user account here. Follow this error. In your case, whatever your local user account, just you need to enter that your user account and password and log in here actually. So after login here, just you need to remove this computer from the domain actually. So how to remove the computer from the domain means, so you need the start menu, type advanced system settings. You can click this option, view advanced system settings. Otherwise, you can use this option also. I mean, otherwise you can use this shortcut also, system.cpl, and click enter. Directly you can go to the advanced system settings. So here in the computer name, you need to come here to rename this computer or to rename this computer or change this domain. Click change actually. Once just you need to click this option actually. You need to click this option actually to rename this computer or change the domain actually or work group. So please click change here. Please click the option change, and so you can remove this computer from the domain actually first thing. So go to the I mean select the option work group actually, give the any work group name and click OK. You need to remove this computer from the workstation. So unselect this option, select the option work group and click OK. So it is giving some instruction actually. Before you leave this domain, you should do two things actually. Make sure you know the password for the local user administrator account. So I mean, you should know the local admin, I mean local user admin account actually. I already told you, right? I know my actually. I know my the local user account credentials actually. And I mean, you should know that one actually. And make sure you have a copy of your BitLocker recovery. Because it is why it is showing means I enabled BitLocker here actually. That is why it is showing about uh, some instruction about the BitLocker actually. So I mean, first thing is I mean, important thing is you should know the your local user account actually. That is the reason it is showing here. It is showing here. Make sure you know the password for the local user administrator account. The local administrator account means it is your local user account actually. You should know the password for that local user account actually, and click OK. So it will ask for the password for this domain credentials actually. I mean administration account password actually. So please type the administration password, administrator password, your administrator password in the this place actually. Click OK. Okay, again. You're out of this domain actually. Click OK. I mean, leave the domain. It will ask for the restart also. You must restart your computer to apply these changes. So please click OK and click close. You must restart your computer to apply these changes. Please click restart now. So, I mean, whenever this error occurs, actually, you need to do, you need to do one thing actually. First thing, you need to remove this computer from the domain actually. And again, you need to join the computer to the this computer to the domain actually. Then this error will solve actually. Sorry, guys, I think some updates are going on way actually. Take some time, I think. Please hold for some time. And after restart finish, just try to log in with the local user account. You can see here the restart update finished actually. So, so you can restart here now. I mean, after restart, update finished actually. And after restarting, you can try login with your local user account. Click enter. And you need to add this computer to domain again actually. So as I told you before, actually, so go to start menu again and type advanced system settings and click this option, view advanced system settings. So otherwise you can use the shortcut command also. Please join this computer again to the domain actually. So you know already how to join computer to the, I mean, how to join computer to the domain. So to rename this computer or change its domain or our group, please click change here. So click change here and choose the option domain. So enter your domain name. So whatever your domain name, please enter here actually. In my case, is my domain name actually. And please enter your domain name, your server domain name actually. Please enter your domain name here and please click OK. After entering your domain name, please click OK here. And same thing, enter your domain username and password. And click OK. And it will again ask for the restart and restart the PC. Click OK again. Must restart your computer to apply these changes. Click OK and click close and click restart now. Actually, this is the procedure actually to case if you got that error actually, the security database of the server does not have a computer account for this workstation. So in case you got this error, you need to follow these steps actually. I mean, first you need to, I mean, you need to click the other options actually. And, from the other options, you need to log in with the local user account and password and, and log into the user account, local user account, and remove the computer from the domain and restart your computer again and log in with the local user account again and remove the, I mean, this time you need to join the PC to the domain and restart the computer again. So we will see now actually. We follow these steps up to now. After rejoining the PC to the domain, please log in here. I mean, Seb, actually, you try to log in with the, I mean, previously you got the error right with that user account. So this time you need to try to log in with that user account actually. So let me try to log in with that user account, which got the error actually. And hit enter. See now, this time you can be able to log in actually. So previously we got the error actually. The security database error we received actually when we try to log in actually. So in this way you can solve that error actually. Whenever you got that security database, whenever you got this error actually, the security database of the server does not have a computer. I mean, the security database of the server does not have a computer account for this workstation. So whenever you got this error, please please follow these steps actually to log in actually. So first thing, whatever you do actually, you need to make sure that in your domain account, I mean in your server actually, the accounts do not exist actually, and try to log in with the local user account and log in there with the local user account and remove the PC from the domain and restart your computer and same login with the local user account again and join the PC to the domain again and restart your computer. And this time, actually, after restart, you try to log in with the previously got the issue, right? So log in with that user account and try to log in here. And in this way, you can solve it. This time you can log in actually after rejoining the PC to the domain actually. So in this way, you can solve this error. And you can go to the server also. You can check now. Go to the Active Directory user on computers. Go to the computers now. Refresh it. So you can see here after refreshing the workstation it is visible here actually. I mean the issue is the account is the computer account for the this workstation it is deleted actually. So and this should be the one of the reason actually. I'm not saying this is the reason actually. This is also one of the reason actually. I said right beforely actually. I said before right. So the computer account for the workstation should be deleted from the Active Directory. So this is also one of the reason, or maybe the workstation password is updating locally. That is another reason, or the workstation, the user account, I mean the workstation cannot communicate with the PC due to the network issues, or maybe recent change in the group policy or Active Directory. These should be the possible reasons for the issue actually. So in this way, you can solve the error actually. You can log in with the local user account and remove the PC from the domain and restart the computer again and actually and log in with the local user account and rejoin the PC to the domain. This way, you can solve this error actually. You can see, I think you got the idea. I think. But make sure that the system is functioning good also. After you rejoining to the domain, make sure that computer is working good. I mean, there is no issues with the workstation also. Make sure the network connectivity, everything should check also once actually after you rejoin the PC to the domain. That's it guys. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please hit like button and please click subscribe my channel. And for more upcoming videos, please hit bell icon. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.